How to share screen with audio in Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to share screen with audio in Facebook Messenger. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and further, go ahead and make a call with the person you want to share screen with. Once the individual receives the call, tap on the video icon you see there and switch to video call. Now, tap on the three dots you see on the top right of your screen and further tap on the call settings option and further tap on the audio output option. Make sure your device is selected. Now, go back and tap on the icon at the bottom center of your screen. In the interface that you will be led to, you will see various videos that you can watch together while still on call. Now, to share the screen, tap on the share option you see there and further tap on the start sharing option, and with this your screen will be shared. So this is how you can share screen with audio in Facebook Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.